This is just a quick recipe for cranberry relish. There's only 4 ingredients and it's super simple and really yummy. So I peeled the apple. You can leave the peel on if you like.
If I was peeling the apple, I'd have to use the peeler I got down in the silverware box. Because I take half the apple off, otherwise I'm not as talented.
Well...
Maybe it's because you're left-handed.
Left-handed.
Now, when we were kids, my nanny used to tell us that when you peeled an apple like this, you're supposed to throw the peeled skin over your shoulder, and whatever shape it landed in a letter, that told you the first initial if we were going to marry.
Oh.
When you grew up.
There you go.
You can throw that over your shoulder when you're done if you want, but it'll better land in an R. Looks like an R to me.
Looks like an R. There you go.
Definitely an R. Y'all see that R?
Yeah. We go like, yeah, R.
Okay,
See,
there, it's an R.
It's
Okay.
kind of like an R.
It's an R. True story. So while Melanie's attacking this orange here, it might be a good time to mention that I'm not sure exactly what all she's doing to make this stuff. I've not had it before, but it sounds good, so I'm looking forward to trying it. Anything with cranberries has to be good, but the whole thing is being done off-grid. We're off-grid in the Sonoran Desert, and everything we're doing here for food storage and food prep and cooking and everything else is all off-grid. So I'll be showing you what we do as we go along with that. Basically, camp cooking here. Oh, that orange smells good. Oh, smelling better and better. Giving the desert creosote a run for its money.
I think these are seedless. If there were seeds, then I'd take out the seeds. The Blue Eddy.
Okay, so Melanie's going to put the Blue Eddy EB3A to work to run this little mini blender. This is a low wattage blender, which is great for off-grid applications. Food processor, I guess it is, right? Mm-hmm. Food processor. Great for off-grid applications. Doesn't pull too much power, and it's fairly inexpensive. I'll try and find a link for you to put in the description. And there's a Blue Eddy EB3A. This thing is fantastic. It's also nice and light, which I think Melanie probably just appreciated because it's a whole lot lighter than the EB70S. And that's probably why she chose this one. Or maybe just because it's cute. I don't know. But we use the Blue Eddies a lot off-grid. And there we go. Just turning on the power there to get the AC going. And green means go. Cool thing about this EB3A is the digital display, so you get a real-time indication of how much power you have coming in and how much you have going out and what the state of the battery is, 77% in this case. So as soon as she fires up the blender here, we'll see the output come up. Meanwhile, we have some delicious smelling oranges going in here with some apples and some cranberries, I guess. A little bit of honey going in here. It's been cool here in the desert. The honey's apparently showing the effects of that. There it comes. Golden goodness. Mm-mm-mm.
Taste test. It's super simple, something you can do when you're off-grid camping, and might be good for a holiday meal.
I look forward to trying it. I suspect we'll be getting into it before the day's over. But here we go. Very simple. Apple, orange, cranberries, honey. All there is to it. Processed with this nifty little low wattage food processor that is great for off-gridding, and it runs nicely on this Bluetti EB3A. So there we go. So thanks for joining us in this video, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this. If so, hit the like button if you haven't already. Consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next video.